Here's this USB flash drive. It's from Corsair Voyager, and it's a USB 3.0 USB flash drive for data storage, and it can hold 128 gigabytes of data. Okay, the speed should be pretty good. It's waterproof, shockproof. Waterproof because it has even a cap. Shockproof because it's all rubber inside. 5 years warranty. And on the back the same thing. Premium performance, USB 3, water resistant, vibration shock. Here's the speed. It says up to 18 times faster. Maybe compared to the very slow one. USB 3 is faster, much faster than USB 2. Okay, and some more. So let's open it somehow. It's pretty heavy, it's not light. And it looks like this. It's rubber. So which one is blue here? That's USB 3. The black ones, the slower ones, are USB 2. So the blue is faster and the black is slower. Black is USB 2 and blue is USB 3. 128 gigabytes size. This also has 4 plus 1 in the middle. So this has 5 connections. It doesn't have a read-only switch, so you can delete the data from it. It stays pretty firmly. It doesn't fall off. So let's plug it in for the first time. I have a hub here. It's automatically detected as Corsair. Okay, and it had a tiny LED. It wasn't bright at all. And it's this one. Properties. And it's formatted as FAT32. That's not too good. On FAT32 you cannot copy larger than 4 gigabyte files. Let's just try that. Let's try to copy here a large file. So here's a 6.8 gigabyte file. Let's copy it and onto the Corsair disk. Let's paste it. And here's the error message. The file is too large for the destination file system. It's 6.5 gigabytes. So in this case, let's just right click on the disk and go to format. So currently the disk is empty. Let's format it into a different way. So at file system, choose, let's say, exFAT. Let's set it to default allocation size and let's call it 128 and start. Okay, format was completed, and onto this disk let's now paste that 6 gigabyte file. Now it can be copied, and let's see the speed. So the write speed currently is fluctuating between 17 and 33 megabytes. That's not too high. Let's see the task manager. So this disk, Corsair Voyager, is around 100% occupied, and it's writing with not too much. Okay, let's pause it and place it into a different USB on this computer. The speed is not great. Device is fully used. 0 kilobytes, 50 megabytes. Now let's pause it once again. Resume. So it has a very faint LED, it's barely visible. This LED on the top, that's from the card reader. And the speed is not high at all. It's the write speed. Now let's try something else. Let's cancel this one, format it into, let's say, NTFS, start, okay, complete, there's the stick, and paste the same file. With NTFS the speed is the same. Now I plugged it into a different USB port and the speed is the same. 60 megabytes and 33 megabytes. Speed is not high at all. Now I'm using a different machine, a laptop. There's the flash drive. And the write speed is around 26 megabytes, 26.7. That's not high at all for a USB 3 drive. Now I'm using a laptop, the flash drive is somewhere here. Let's paste a larger file. And the speed is not high at all. Between 16 and 33 megabytes. So it behaves in the same manner. This speed is good for USB 2. It's way too low for USB 3. Now I inserted the flash drive into a third USB port on this laptop and let's paste it. Something identical. Between 16 and 33 megabytes. And task manager, performance. This is a bit older Windows 10 and it's not showing the USB flash drive here, but the hard drive is barely used. It's an SSD, 0 and 1%. CPU barely used. The write speed is pretty low. And by the way, this is a different USB flash drive. On the same machine I can write on that one with 69-70 megabytes per second constantly. So the PC is capable. The USB flash drive is pretty slow. That's the Lexar USB 64 gigabyte flash drive. Corsair is less than half of the speed. The speed is not dropping. So this is much faster compared to this one.